Melissa, welcome.
Thank you.
I'm so grateful you came. My name's Dale Richards. I'm a speaker for Vistage. I've spoken over 450 times in 42 states. You came and joined me today. Tell me a little bit about yourself and what you enjoyed about today's session.
Sure. So my name's Melissa LaCasse. I am the co-founder and CEO of Tanbark Molded Fiber Products. We're based in Saco, Maine. We make custom, often compostable replacements for rigid thermoform single-use plastic products.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah. So, and we're a high-growth startup. So what I got out of today was a few things. One is some very tactical tips that I'm going to implement right away. But I think overarchingly what I got was a sense that the valuation of the company is not something you can just Google. It's very difficult to really get the nuances into a data story.
Yeah.
And so being able to put it into a data story is really important for our company right now as we go out for our Series A.
Yeah, that's great. I'm glad we were able to get you some tools and give you some ammunition of knowledge is power. That's what I'm after.
Yep.
I want to tell you that Vistage is the most important decision an executive can make to join a Vistage group. It will opportunity to give you 2 to 10 times your revenue, profits, and value because of the experience of issue opportunity processing, sharing, and speakers. I highly recommend that you find and join a Vistage group. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.